Making money doesn't have to be difficult, and making money through PayPal is even better. We're going to show you how to generate money online without doing any labor. If you have a phone, get ready because this approach will be the best method you'll ever discover in your entire life, and all you need is your mobile phone. And make sure you watch the full video from beginning to the end so you don't get confused about today's video. And don't skip any parts so you don't miss any important details, because if you miss critical parts, you're less likely to achieve your intended results. Now, if you stick around until the end, we'll show you a bonus app, so make sure you watch the entire video. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first step to today's method is to go on your default browser and go to this website called cm.com/mcmoney. This is what you should be able to see next. Earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. The way to get started is to first download the APK file on your phone, and then you proceed with the installation. And then you register your phone number, and then just like that, you start receiving SMS and start making money as well. Now, what exactly is MC Money? So over here, it says by letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together, and each message you receive adds more money to your MC Money bank. And I know you will be asking, how do we earn money with MC Money? So here are the steps to be able to earn money on this website. So first, download the MC Money app on your Android phone. Then follow the registration process, and if you have any questions, you can read the frequently asked questions as well. Verify your phone number, and then you're all set. Then once you're done with that, MC Money will send test SMS to your phone from time to time. Now, every received text messages from MC Money adds money to your balance. And you can cash this out anytime after you hit the required threshold. And you can also get a bonus for every friend that you refer to the MC Money app. Now, you can see right here, install and earn money. You can earn cash just by installing the app. They will send you a random test SMS message at once in a while, and you'll earn money for each received text message. It's also important to keep in mind that this app will only work on Android devices. So for iOS users out there, we apologize, but this app won't work on your device. And the reason for this is because only Android allows to process the result of the text messages that this app sends to you. So for iOS users, just stay tuned because we will be releasing videos for iPhone users as well. Now to continue, as you can see from here, MC Money is extremely safe and secure for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. If you go onto this website and scroll a little bit lower as well, you will see some frequently asked questions. But I won't go over them in order to save time for this video. Now, if you still remember, we promised you a bonus app earlier, and that is what we're going to get on right now. Now open up a brand new tab and then go ahead and type in moneysmsapp.com. So this is what you should be able to see next. As it says here, make money online. Money SMS app is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. Now, some features of this website is that this app is also a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. Again, this app is exclusively for Android, because only Android allows apps to read SMS. You can earn money online through this app. You just need to install this app and get paid by their money-making apps for receiving SMS test messages. This app is secure and it does not read any of your private messages or use any other data. They only read their own test messages. Another good thing about this is, it is fully automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from you. They also have a referral program so that you can refer this app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. And lastly, this app is completely free and you do not need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees whatsoever. What you need to do to get started on this app is to first sign up. Once you're done signing up, download and install the APK file, register and keep the app and internet running on your phone. Next, receive automatic test messages and then finally get paid. You will automatically get paid 2 cents when you receive text messages. You can withdraw your money when your balance hits 2 euros. Also, right down here you will find out that this app gives you the freedom to choose your preferred payment method, which they have a lot of options for. And here are some of their features. You can accumulate money on a balance, earn money online automatically, earn more with the referral program, find quick answers to your questions, also keep track of the transaction status. You can also choose to withdraw your money through any of these options, and you can withdraw your money within 48 hours and you could keep track of your income report. And if you're not sure on how to install the app, you can click this button over here to learn more. As you can see right here, they have already sent over 3 million test messages, 71,000 euros paid, and over 160,000 users registered as well. These are very big numbers here. And as you can see, this site is pretty much legit. And there is a lot more information with regards to this site, so I suggest you read all of them if you want to. But to summarize, use both of these apps on your mobile phone to get that sweet PayPal money or cash codes by just receiving text messages on your phone. This trick is one of the best ways to earn passive income. As long as you have your internet on your phone, it will keep making profit for you even while you sleep. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.